Hello students, good morning everyone. Welcome back to online classes children. In today's class, you are going to learn a new lesson. It is a very interesting lesson children. Class 6, Subject English, Unit 3, Prose 3. Today you are going to learn Prose 3. Name of the Prose 3 is A Visitor from Distant Lands. Usually visitor means guest, is it? Now you are going to learn a lesson about fruits and vegetables and their origin. Before going into today's lesson, you have some warm-up exercise here. You can see some of the fruits and vegetables, is it? Can you name them? Yes, very good. First one is mango and second one is salt and third one is bitter gourd and fourth one is betel nut and fifth one is chili, that is a green chili or red chili, and then last one is lemon. Each of these have some of the unique flavors and also differs in taste. For example, they gave you some warm-up exercise here. Now you are going to fill all the given exercise. Okay, one is done for you. I will explain this to you first. Look at the pictures. What do their expressions tell you? Fill in the blanks with the item that tastes the same. One example is given for you. First one, sweet. Sugar cane is very sweet, and you can write some more examples like mango, apple, or even sugar. And then second one is sour. Sour is lime. Lemon is very sour in taste. You can like tamarind. And third one is bitter. Bitter gourd. How many of you like bitter gourd? Very good children. And fourth one is salty. Salty example is salt. And then fifth one is astringent. Astringent means betel nut. And then pungent. Pungent means it is a ginger. So write one more examples in each sections. Okay. Now we move on to today's topic. Main characters in this prose are money. First character is money. And second one is money's father. And then third character is money's mother. And then fourth character is money's little sister Selvi. Totally you have 4 characters in this prose. Characters are very important. All these 4 characters lived in a Senji, a village near Viluppuram district. They lived their life very happily. They spent most of the times together very happily. And in this prose, you are going to learn about vegetables and spices, about their origin. Origin in the sense from where they come from. Most of the fruits and vegetables we get it from various parts of our country. Okay children, we hope that these vegetables comes from our farms, but most of the vegetables and also spices are from different parts of the country. Okay, come, let's move on to today's lesson. Mani's family lived in a village near Senji in Viluppuram district. One day, when Amma served potato curry, Mani liked only a few vegetables. Potatoes and lady's finger were the two that he liked very much. As I said already, Mani and their family lived in a village called Senji, and one day Mani's mother serving a potato curry to him. I don't want to eat potatoes today because they are foreign vegetables. Mani is telling that he don't want to eat potato because potato is a foreign vegetable. Selvi is replying for this. No, they are not. Amma brought them from the shop near the bus stop. Mani's sister tells that the potato is from the shop near the bus stop. These potatoes are not from foreign. Foreign in the sense, foreign means children, synonyms also given below. Foreign means belongs to other country. Now, Mani is arguing with his father. Appa, Selvi is too small to understand that the potatoes are not from India. Mani's father replying for this, So what? Mani is telling that our teacher told us that we should buy and eat locally grown food. One day, Mani's teacher told that to eat only the vegetables and fruits which we have locally grown, so that he avoids potato vegetable, because potato is a vegetable from foreign country. It doesn't belong to our Indian country. How many of you like potatoes, children? Did you? Okay, fine. Now, Mani is arguing with his sister. She also told us to use things made in our country. And also, his teacher advised them to use the things which are made in our country. See, now Mani's little sister is asking to him that, what else did your teacher tell you? What are the other things that the teacher tells you? Like this, Mani's sister asking to Mani. Then you cannot eat popcorn next time when we go to a movie. Now mother is telling that he cannot eat a popcorn because this popcorn is also from other country. And father is telling that, and you cannot order tomato soup either, or even pineapple juice. Sister is telling that, Mani, then you can't order anything. See, tomato and pineapple and also popcorn are from another countries, so that Mani cannot eat other foods. So sister is telling that he can't order anything. Mani tells that, why can't I eat popcorn or soup or anything that I want to? Mani again arguing with his mother, why did I can't eat soup or popcorn or whatever I need? Mani's mother tells that, don't you know that corn, tomatoes and even lady's finger all came from other countries, because all the fruits and vegetables like tomatoes, lady's finger and even corn all came from another country. Mani's sister tells that, really? How did they come to our country, Amma? Did they get on an aeroplane and come here? Mani's sister asking to her mother that, how did they came to India? Did they came on aeroplane? Father is replying that, no, some merchant brought them here long ago by sea. Merchants in the sense, it means people who trade. People who are trading spices and vegetables, they called as merchants. And then Mani is replying that, why did they bring vegetables to India? Mani asking question to his father, why did they brought the vegetables to India? Amma Appa laughed. Now little sister is asking that, Selvi, her name is Selvi, is it? They could have brought some sweets. Why didn't they? Did they bought any sweets? She is asking. People came to India in search of spices, especially black pepper. A man from Portugal named Vasco da Gama sailed to Kerala. Sailed in a sense, meaning of sailed is travelled in a boat or by ship. Travelled in a boat or by ship. This is called as sailed. Now, mother is telling that people came to India in search of spices like black pepper. People came to India by searching black pepper. In this, a man called Vasco da Gama sailed to Kerala. See, he is called as Vasco da Gama. He sailed to, that is, he travelled to Kerala to find out the pepper spices. He travelled from Portugal and his name is Vasco da Gama. They came to India, especially to Kozhikode in Kerala. They are in search of spices like black pepper. Black pepper is really a healthy spice. It is very pungent. You have two types of pepper. One is white pepper and another is black pepper. Sailed in a sense they traveled by using a ship or boat. They got black peppers from Kerala. Rest of the thing we will discuss in our next class. In section 2, we will discuss in detail. And now it's time for your assignment, children. Your assignment is you are going to fill this warm-up exercise. You are going to write one more example for each and every taste. Okay, children. Thank you so much. Please understand well. If you have any doubt, please clarify with me. Thank you.